So when making a video like this, you're presenting your idea, you're presenting your solution, right? In a way, this is a pitch video. And what I mean by pitch video is that you're trying to sell your idea to your audience. And now there's various ways to do this. It's really important that you show the idea well. It's really important that you show the challenge that you've been working on well, that we understand it. It's important that you show the impact and that you've really thought through of how this idea can really be implemented and that it really has potential, right? So if you're able to capture those things well in a video, it will make your pitch more compelling. Now, one of the things that I often advise students to do when creating a video like this is to sit together and to start by making a structure for your video, because you have a total of 5 minutes. Now, 5 minutes is not a long time, but you can actually do a lot within 5 minutes if you plan it well. What I would like you to do is I would like you to, using the structure of the assessment guide, it's a very clear structure. It tells you that you have to introduce the team, you have to talk about your challenge, you have to talk about your MVP, show the solution, and then show how you would take it to the next step after the minor if you were to continue with it. It's very clear. Using that structure, make your own creative structure per 30 seconds, sorry. So what are you going to do in the first 30 seconds of your video? What are you going to do in the second 30 seconds of your video? What are you going to do in the third 30 seconds of your video, etc. Now, it's really easy to just, copy paste what's in the assessment and break it down like, okay, I'm going to introduce the team first, then I'm going to talk about the challenge, then I'm going to talk about the MVP for 30 seconds, etc., which is good, so do that. But I want you to do a little bit more. For each of those 30 seconds, think about how you're going to convey that. So for example, if in the first 30 seconds you're going to introduce the team and talk about the challenge, what's a nice creative way, what's a compelling and creative way in which you can do that? And I want you to write that down as well. So try to develop that structure together and try to be really creative with it, right? Like try to think about how you can really capture the audience and bring them into your idea, bring them into your solution, one, bring them into your challenge area, make them feel empathy for your challenge area. And finally, make them see and believe in the feasibility and the impact of your idea. Think about how you do that in every 30 seconds. So have a go at that. This is a really useful exercise. Also think about how you're using the different people in your team. Are you all going to speak? Are you all going to introduce yourselves? Are you going to all record a certain part of it? Think about these things, and make your structure. I'll see you in the next video.